Hello and welcome to this month's masterclass. This month we're looking at underfloor insulation for your home. Why is that important? Well, without underfloor insulation, the temperature of your floor is the same as the temperature outside, and that's really uncomfortable. When you fit underfloor insulation, then the temperature of your floor becomes the temperature inside, so much more comfortable to be in, and of course you're going to save energy as well. Of course, we've organized it so it's super easy for you to get going. We've got the read, watch and do sections. If you like to read, we've got all the underfloor articles in one place to make it easy. If you prefer to watch videos, I've made loads of informative videos, so watch those. And when it comes time to do, of course, we've got the best products to make it easy, safe, and long-lasting. So there you have it. Get some underfloor for your home. And if you have any questions at all, email me, askme@ecomaster.com.au. Happy underfloors.